Hey guys, happy July 4th weekend. As so many of us are out trying to have fun this weekend, we're going to keep our video short, but we're going to have some fun with it ourselves. Last year we made this video where we tested out power usage in the camper. So today we're doing RV Limbo. How low can we go? Our first project to lower our draw was in this video we did last summer. The stock lights that came with our camper drew 0.4 amps each one, but by replacing them with the dimmable ones, we dropped our ampage draw in half. But today we're going to address the range hood. We noticed this little incandescent bulb pulls 1.4 amps. We're going to try and improve on that. Last year I did a project where I replaced all the incandescent bulbs around my truck with these LED bright white ones that I really prefer. So I had one of those bulbs left. I installed it in the range hood to see how much of a difference it would make. So how much did changing out the incandescent bulb to an LED bulb save us? So we have in fact lowered that limbo bar just a little bit lower.
Okay, Troy, so what was the first thing you learned today?
A couple days short of 55 years old, perhaps my limbo days are done.
And what was the second thing you learned today?
It takes approximately 2 minutes to show somebody how to change a light bulb.
Thanks for watching, guys, and have a happy 4th of July.